In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles in Ssemble. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to polish your captions so they're clear, consistent, and easy to read. First, start by logging into Ssemble. Make sure you're using the same account where your project lives so everything syncs correctly. Once you're in, open the clip you want to work on in the editor. If you already have a project, select it and wait for the timeline and preview to load. If you're starting fresh, import your clip into a new project and open it in the editor view. Give it a second to process if the file is large. Next, look toward the top of the editor and click on Edit. This opens up the controls you'll need for your text and caption work. It's an essential step because the rest of your subtitle tools live here. Now navigate to the Captions tab. This is your home base for all subtitle tasks. Inside this tab, turn on Show All Captions. Enabling this view displays every caption segment in a single, scrollable list. It makes it much easier to spot typos, maintain consistent capitalization and punctuation, and jump directly to any line that needs attention. Think of it as your table of contents for the entire subtitle track. From here, begin editing your captions. Click on a caption segment to select it, then update the text so it matches your audio. Keep sentences concise and natural, and add punctuation to help viewers follow your pacing. If a line runs too long, break it into two shorter lines to improve readability, especially on mobile screens. As you edit, play the video preview to confirm the timing still matches the spoken words. If you notice a caption arriving a bit early or lingering too long, adjust the segment's start and end times so they align with the audio. Small timing tweaks can dramatically improve the viewing experience. Work through the full list while Show All Captions is enabled, scanning for misspellings, names, numbers, and brand terms that need consistency. Read each line out loud to check flow, and aim to keep 1 or 2 lines per caption with a comfortable reading length. Maintain a consistent style, such as sentence case, and avoid using all caps unless it's intentional. When you're done, play back a few sections from start to finish to confirm everything looks and sounds right. That's it. Log in, open your clip, click Edit, head to the Captions tab, show all captions, and refine your text. You've successfully added and polished subtitles in Ssemble.